Need a compact, versatile set of hex sockets for your toolbox? Check out this 9-piece hex socket set, perfect for nuts, bolts, and screws from 5mm all the way to 13mm. Each sleeve fits standard hex bolts and works with any 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch ratchet or driver. Made from hardened steel, they're durable, rust-resistant, and give you a solid grip without stripping fasteners. Ideal for DIY projects, bike repairs, furniture assembly, car maintenance, or professional use. The compact case keeps them organized and ready to grab. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fixer, having the right size socket on hand makes any job faster and easier. Ready to upgrade your toolkit affordably? Check the link in the description below to buy this 9% hex socket set now. Thanks for watching, and tighten up!